Save your dust collector with the Super Dust Deputy 4.5 Cyclone Separator. Oneida Air Systems has taken the original Dust Deputy Cyclone Separator and supersized it for use with single-stage dust collectors up to 3 horsepower. Single-stage collectors have filters that clog quickly as they have no built-in pre-separator. This reduces suction and leaves dust at your tools, making replacement filters and replacement collectors costly and frustrating. With the Super Dust Deputy 4.5, you can turn your single-stage unit into a high-efficiency cyclonic dust collector.
The Super Dust Deputy 4.5 separates and contains up to 99.9% of fine wood dust from the incoming airstream
before it reaches your single-stage collector, improving its overall performance and keeping its filter and your tools clean. The Super Dust Deputy 4.5 includes an adapter for a 4 or 6-inch outlet to connect to your collector and an adapter for a 4 or 5-inch inlet to connect to your tools. What are you waiting for? Get your Super Dust Deputy 4.5 Cyclone Separator now from Oneida Air Systems, the industry leader in dust collection. Proudly made in the USA since 1993. For more information, visit oneida-air.com.